So we're here at the SID Display Week here in California. And who are you?
This is Jennifer from ELC.
And hi.
Hi, this is Tiffany from ELC.
Hello.
Hello, this is Taran.
So you do a lot of digital signage, right? So
Yeah.
So ELC is doing only this? Lots of digital signage?
Yeah, we are focusing on digital signage products only, and we have started this business since 2008. So since now it's been around 12 years. Yeah.
Nice. And can you show? So what do you show here?
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Let's first see the widescreen digital signage. So now we have the size range from 19-inch. This is the smallest one we have
This
right
is
now.
very wide,
Yeah.
special aspect ratio.
Yeah, right. Yeah, so it's mainly used in the supermarkets and also in some retailing stores, something like this. And also, this is the smallest one we have, which is 90-inch, and also we have the 21-inch.
Very small now.
Yeah.
It's for the price or what?
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
And this is the 24-inch. Also, we have the 28-inch and the 37-inch. Yeah.
And what is the MOQ? Is people need to order 100 or 1,000 or what?
Even 10 pieces or 20 pieces is okay, because we are the factory, so sometimes we will have the regular store in the factory, so we can make the MOQ really flexible for the customers. Yeah.
Nice. And what else you can show here?
Here you can see the L type with stand, table stand digital signature. So
And all the connectors, USB, is it like running Android or something or no Android?
This is with Android.
All of this?
All this is Android. And for this one, we are mostly using for the like the reception desk for customer service evaluation, something like this. Yeah. So this one sells a lot in our domestic market, mostly used in the hotels and also in the banks. Yeah.
And what is the CPU inside? Is it rock chip or Allwinner or no?
All it's with rock chip. Yeah.
All a rock chip.
Yeah.
Stable Android, everything is working?
Yeah, right.
And special application for digital signage or?
Actually, we only supply the hardware, but we have a lot of partners in the overseas market. They are doing the software development. Yeah.
So what is this special software here, for example?
Yeah. For this one, this is for room booking. So we have the whole range from 10-inch to 15.6-inch. Yeah. So for this one, it's especially for most occasions, it's used for meeting rooms. So you can see here we have 3 colors for the LED lights. So for different colors, it shows different situation of the meeting room, like it is available or it is occupied. Yeah.
And it's connected to the cloud? People can do on the computer, on the phone also?
It depends on the application.
Yeah. And what is the big one here?
And the big one is here is for interactive digital signature. Because for this show, we only the largest size we bring is 32-inch, but we have the biggest size with 65 inches as well.
Nice. Do you want to show us some of these? What is this big one there?
This one?
This one.
This one is 37 bar stretch display, and the brightness is very high. It can be 700.
So very bright. It's good for advertising?
Yeah, it's for advertising. And this software is made by our software team.
Nice.
Yeah.
What other ones you want to show here?
And this small one, most for this is 10 inches, one with POE, and this can be portrait and landscape, like this one.
Nice.
Yeah.
So do you offer a very good price in everything you do?
Sure.
Is this what you do? Good price, good quality?
Sure.
Yeah?
Yeah, we are a manufacturer of hardware, and we sell to the China business and US market, and most of our digital signages market is in US.
And the digital signage market is growing?
Yeah, it's right now it's growing very rapidly because for most of the occasions it's they want something the traditional advertisement become digital, so that's why this market is right now is growing a lot. And also we have already manufactured for several renowned brands in the overseas market. Yeah, and also we also have another team which is for domestic market, and we have cooperated with companies like WeChat and also like
Big companies.
Yeah, right, yeah.
And big quantities, how many you sell? Millions or
Yeah,
100,000?
I think for each month we can ship around 50K.
50K.
Yeah, 50K.
All right, all Shenzhen.
No, all
Manufacturing Shenzhen?
manufacturing Shenzhen, because we have factory with 5 floors. So right now we have around 400 people in the factory. Yeah, we have also our hardware and software team. Yeah.
Nice. And here in the USA, you have USA customers, Europe.
Yeah. Actually, for overseas market, most of the products we ship to the USA and also to the European. This is the 2 biggest markets we are having right now. Yeah.
And here at the display week is so many new display. Maybe you look for new display partners, right? Always looking for new display.
Yeah. Yes. Right.
New shapes, new technology.
Yeah. Yes. Right. Yeah.
All right. And some of these can go in the rain outside.
It's all indoor actually.
You don't have outside version?
We don't have outside because
Not yet.
because for outside, how to say, it's much different from indoor. So since we are in this industry, we are focusing in indoor products all the way. Yeah.